This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders YouTube channel. My name is Kush Srinivas, Python Tutorials. In this session, I am going to discuss about Python programming, using programming, indexing and slicing. What is indexing and what is slicing in Python? That is very important. Indexing, today's topic is indexing. Indexing. What is indexing? What is indexing? What is indexing? The first one. And the second one is what is slicing? Slicing in Python. These two are very important. Let's now start at the first one is what is indexing? What is indexing? Indexing is used in list tuples. It is used in the list and tuples and strings also in Python. The first one is, for example, if you are declaring a string, one string or one list, to declaring a list, the list equal to x equal to 11, 22, 33, and 44. This is a list. If you want to print the list of all the elements using the print of x statement. Now, these elements are assigned to x value. These elements are internally stored in this is x variable. The x variable divided into 4 parts, that is equal to this is the 0th location, first location, second location, and third location. And the first location value index number 0, 22, 11, 22, and 33 and 44. Now, what is indexing? Indexing, it is a it is a stored location. It is a stored location. In Python, indexings are two types. In Python, indexings are two types. Indexing are two types. One is a positive indexing. Another one is a negative indexing. Positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing. And negative indexing. Python supports two types of indexing. Python supports two types of indexing. Two types: positive indexing and negative indexing. What is positive indexing? The positive indexing means it starts from left to right, left to right side, left hand to right side, left to right side. It starts, the index number starting value 0 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and so on. That is equal to size minus 1. The size of the given array, the size of the given list, the size of the given tuple, the size of the given string. But negative indexing, only Python supports the negative indexing. No other programming languages. It starts from right to left, right to left side. That is negative indexing starting -1 and -2 and -3 and -4 and so on. That is the minus size value. For example, this is a list of values, list of elements in Python. It supports the positive indexing and negative indexing. Here x value, that is equal to 11 value and 22 value, 33 value, and 44. Here suppose the 0 index number, 1 index number, 2 index number, 3. That is the left to right, left hand side to right hand side, left to right, only positive index. Now here this suppose the right to left. This is the value is -1 index number, -2 index number, -3 index number, and -4 index number. -1, -2, -3, and -4. Only Python programming language supports two types of indexes: positive and negative indexes. -1, -2. Negative index starts from -1, -2, -3, and -4. For example, if you want to print the print of x value, to accessing the elements, accessing list elements, using indexing, accessing list element using index. That is a print of x means to print all the values. Now here, for example, print of x of 0. X of 0 means to print only x of 0 value. X of 0 value, 0 index number. Here the 0 index number value is 11. 0 index number value is 11. Now if you want to print of x of 3. Now the x of 3 value is 44. You want to print the x of -2. The -2 value is -2. The list elements can be accessed by using the negative index number also. Here the negative index number -2, the value equal to 33. For example, we want to print the value of x of -4. The -4 value is 11. Okay, guys, up here clear. Now run this module by executing these two statements. Now x of value equal to x of 11, 22, 33, and 44. For example, assume that print the x value, print the total x value. See the result in the bottom of the screen. Print the x value is 11, 22, 33, and 44. Now x of 0 value. Elements can be accessed by using the index number. X of 0, 1, 0 value is 22, 11. X of 1 value is 22. X of 2 value is 33. X of 3 value is 44. Now we are accessing indexing by negative also. X of 1 value is 44. X of -2 value is 33. X of -3 value is 22. X of -4 value is 11. Now this is the indexing, to accessing the elements using indexing. Clear up to here? And the next one, slicing. The next point is slicing. What is slicing? Now that means in indexing, we're accessing only one element at a time. What is slicing? What is slicing? In indexing, to access only one element, But if you want to accessing more than one element, we can use slicing concept. It's very important in Python programming. What is slicing? Indexing, access only using indexing to access only one element. Using indexing concept, you can access only one element at a time. If you want to access more than one element, we can use the slicing concept. That is here colon is a slice operator. In Python, colon is a slice operator. It's the operator that is called a special operator. The special operator is colon operator. Now the syntax is what is the syntax of this slicing operator? Slicing syntax is square bracket start, accessing elements by using single number or more than one number. We are using the square brackets. Only one number also square bracket. We are using square bracket. Here, please observe this one. We are using only square bracket. Okay, with the square bracket. If you want to access more than one also, we are using the square brackets. Now x value. Now the index syntax is square bracket. Here accessing more than one element. That is the start parameter, up parameter, and check parameter. In the slice operator, there are the three parameters like a range, but not the range function here. But it's using three parameter: square bracket, start, and check. What is the value of the start? This parameter indicates the starting index number. It is optional. It is not compulsory. It is optional. By default, starting index number is 0. By default, the starting index number is 0. This is a start parameter. The syntax. What is the purpose of this slicing? It is used to access the more than one element. Start parameter. It indicates the starting index number. Okay. The next parameter is stop parameter. It indicates the stop parameter. It indicates the ending index number. Okay, clear. So it is also optional. If you are not providing any value, by default ending index number is end of the list. Either list or tuple or string, any value. Now what is the step value? It indicates the either increment value or decrement value. Either increment or decrement of the index number. It is also optional. It's not compulsory. It is also optional value. It is also optional. By default, it is increased by one. Increased by one, but not the decreased by one. Here, please observe. Start, stop, and step. For example, it is a list or tuple or string, any one value. Now here, the x value equal to one list 11, 22, 33, 44, for example, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99, and 100. This is a list. This is a list value. Now here, a small list value. Clear, observe this one. Is a list value. Now this list is stored like this. Now this is one is a 11, 22, 33, okay, 44, 55, 66, and 77, 88, 99, and 100. These are the list values stored in the different index numbers. The index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The index numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? These are the index numbers. Okay, clear. Now here we are using the print of x. That means print all the values of the x. Clear, the entire list. Now we are printing of x. That is value, start value. Start value is 2. And the ending value, but not the ending value. Is the ending value is, for example, 7. Okay. Every time incrementing by 1. Now this is the syntax, complete syntax. Now here, what happens? This is the start parameter. And now this is the stop parameter, but not the ending parameter. And this is called as a increment. Increment the every time incrementing by 1, increment the index number. This is start parameter, stop parameter, and increment. Here the starting value is 2 and the ending value is 7. Index number is 7. Okay, 7. But to print only up to 2 to 6 values. 2 to index number 2 value. That means 33 is printed, 44 printed, 55 printed, 66 printed, and 77 are printed. Right? Go to the check value, check these values. X value equal to 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 100 values. Okay. Now here print the x. That means the entire all the x values are printed. Here x of the value is 2 index number starting, 7 index number is the ending, but not the ending. Print only up to 6 value. Every time is increased by 1, 2 to 7 values, but every time is increased by 1 value. Every time is increased by 1, print the value. 2 value is print the value. The 2 value is okay. X up to 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. To print only up to these values. Okay. Next one. For example, print of x of starting values. For example, to print the starting value is we want to print the starting value is okay. Now the starting value is 1 colon. For example, 6 colon. Every time is increasing by 2. Now here to print the values, starting value is x 1 colon 6, and every time increasing by 2. Here sorry, the syntax is ending the bracket 6 and every time increasing by 2. And the starting value is 1 value, the index number 1, and index number 6 up to 6 value, every time increasing by 2. Now there are another example. Print of okay, if you are not specifying any value, and for example the ending value is 9 and without any specifying value. So here starting value x of any value, no value, by default value is 0 and the ending value is 9 without specifying the end step value. By default the step value is end of the list. So starting 0 to up to 8 numbers, the index number is only for 19. And here to omit all the values, x of starting value omitting, ending value omitting, and all the values are here. No starting parameter. That means by default starting parameter is 0. no ending parameter. By default, ending parameter is end of the list. No step value. By default, incrementing by 1. Now run this module x of colon ending. Okay. The entire list is printed here. Now the next one more example. Print of x value colon. Every time decrease by minus. That means print a number in the reversing order. X of colon and the minus 1. Print the list in reversing a list, completely reversing. -1. Value starts from -1, -2, -3, and so on like this up to the x of 0, and the end of the list is completed up to 0 over. Okay, clear up to here, guys? Now in this video I will explain two concepts. One concept is indexing concept and one concept is slicing concept. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe KKR Coders YouTube channel or watch more videos on Python. Thanks for watching this video.